From the very beginning, the iPhone was designed to be very capable, very powerful, but also affordable for everyone. The iPhone is the thing you carry with you all the time. All of us think that it's the most beautiful phone ever. Our new idea was to take the older iPhone and totally transform it.
Instead of doing a black version and a white version, we created three different models: the black one, the red one, and the gray one. For each one, we added lots of different accessories, so that the iPhone can be as you are.
A night in the past, Scott and I were drinking something when suddenly I screamed, "Why don't we create a phone that allows everyone to make a call while drying his hair?" Well, we have done this in an amazing way.
We needed a lot of power for this product, and so we extracted parts of Steve's car. He doesn't need it anymore. With this, we created a new mini engine, essential to power the hyper-technological fans that we have taken from our MacBooks. MacBook's fans provide a lot of fresh air without any noise.
You will feel only a light and pleasant touch on your skin, as lovely breeze.
At last, my love has come along.
But we didn't only introduce the fans and the engine, thanks to Steam, but we added also a camera lens to take photos of your own hair. We constantly challenge ourselves to figure out how we can make the user experience even more intuitive, and at the same time give our dear users more powerful functionalities, and that's exactly what we have done.
We needed to manage the space inside the phone and build it with a secret material and our typical precision.
Look at where you are. What kind of fish you are.
We provided our new iPhone with the functionality to share in real time your ears with the entire world, so that everyone can know how beautiful they are.